Welcome to Vietnam.
Hello everyone, I'm Pi and this is a video about Vietnam. The country has a culture, beautiful and strange wonders of the world. Today, you and I will learn about Piu Long, a tourist destination, a beautiful landscape in Vietnam that is preserved and maintained quite well by this country. Currently, this is also a tourist destination worth visiting with its view and fresh air. If you come to Vietnam, you should visit this place. And now we come to Piu Long right away. Piu Long is a mountainous area in Ba Thuoc district, Ton Hoa province, about 150 kilometers northwest of Hanoi. This is a famous natural tourist destination in northern Vietnam with unique and pristine landscape. Below is some more specific information about Piu Long. The landscape and nature here are very interesting. Piu Long is located in the northwest mountainous region of Vietnam, where there are many limestone mountains and green grasslands. The landscape here changes season by season, with terraced fields in the ripe rice season and dense green forests in the summer. Waterfalls and rivers are also highlights of Piu Long. You can walk and trekking. Piu Long is one of the popular destinations for trekking and trekking lovers. There are many walking routes to explore the natural landscape here. A walking journey through villages and mountains is a great way to explore Piu Long. The community here is hospitable and has many unique characteristics. The Piu Long area has villages of Thai, Muong, and other ethnic groups. Visitors can experience rural life and learn about the culture and customs of the local people. A wild-style resort in the mountains and forests of Vietnam. There are many resorts and homestays in Piu Long, where you can stay and relax after a long day of exploring. This place also has nature conservation areas. Piu Long also has a number of important nature conservation areas with many rare animal and plant species. When you want to visit Piu Long, plan ahead and learn more about activities, locations, and weather conditions for a safe and enjoyable trip. And this is one of the places with beautiful landscapes and many national identities in Vietnam. Hopefully the recent information can provide you with useful information about this S-shaped country. If you find it interesting, don't hesitate to give me a like so I can have more motivation to make the next videos. If you have any comments, don't hesitate to leave a comment so we can discuss together. The rest would like to send you beautiful pictures of Piu Long, Vietnam. Hello and see you again in the next videos.